Alright fellas, today we're building on what we did yesterday, looking at factors and multiples, but we're talking about those two terms that you can see at the top of the page here. So we're going to be looking at LCM and HCF. The first part, I guess, is working out what they stand for. So I'm going to focus on the HCF first. HCF stands for highest common factor. Whoa, look at that handwriting. And when we talk about the HCF, we're looking to find two different numbers, look at all the factors that they have in common, and pick the highest number. So, just to build on what we did yesterday, I'll use the same list. I've got the factors of 36. So they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, and I'm running out of room here, 12, 18, and 36. And the factors of 18, just picked another random number, so they are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. So when you've written a list in your page, probably in your working out grid book, we look at, here's all the factors of 36, here's all the factors of 18, and then I'm just going to put a circle around the ones they have in common. So obviously they both have 1, they both have 2, they both have 3, they both have 6, they both have 9, and they both have 18. So then finding the HCF is as simple as finding the highest common factor. So the HCF of 36 and 18 is 18, because it's the highest factor they have in common. Easy. Let's have a look at LCM. LCM stands for, just while I rub all this out, I think finding the LCM is a little bit easier personally. Factors can get a bit confusing. I know some people had trouble thinking of them in class yesterday. But LCM stands for lowest common multiple. So pretty similar to HCF, except we're focusing on multiples, and we're focusing on what is the lowest one they have in common. So I'm just going to pick two random numbers and hope that it adds up. I'm going to list, first of all the multiples of 12. So we've got 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. Boy, that was slow going. And then I'm going to list all the multiples of, I don't know, let's pick something like 9. So we've got 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. So in terms of finding the lowest common multiple, we just look for, well, which ones do they have in common? In this case, they don't really have that many in common at all. All we can see is 36. That appears to be the only common one, and it's also the lowest one they have in common. So lowest common multiple in this instance, the lowest common multiple of 12 and of 9 is 36. Please don't get them confused. When you're looking for the HCF, you're finding the highest common factor. When you're looking for the LCM, you're looking for the lowest common multiple. Remember, factors are two numbers that multiply together to give you an answer. Multiples are like your times tables, so they are the multiple of a number that repeats itself. Good luck, boys.